Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to temporarily disable Norton 360 on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Norton app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on menu at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on device security. At the top of the screen, you will see a switch. If the switch is green, that means protection is on. Tap the switch once to turn it off. A message may appear asking you to confirm. Tap turn off or confirm. This will temporarily disable device protection on your iPhone. Now go back to the menu and tap on the VPN switch is green, it means it is on. Tap the switch to turn the VPN off, wait a few seconds until it disconnects. If you see options like web protection or Wi-Fi security, tap each one and switch them off if they are enabled. This is only temporarily disable. Norton 360 may turn itself back on later, or you can turn it back on anytime. And that's it. You have successfully temporarily disabled Norton 360 on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.